This is a calendar function in our mobile app, Go App. As a wrap, you can check out your calendars here. You can view it by day, 3 days, weekly or monthly calendar. So you can switch between different time frame, and you can check out all the activity you have scheduled for example, the day. And if you want to schedule anything, you could click the plus sign and choose the activity type, for example, meetings or messaging. Then you can schedule some activities on your calendar. Now, one pain point about calendar is a lot of the system would have the CRM calendar, which is the customer engagement calendar in the CRM system, while the company internal calendar in the Outlook calendar. So our system is able to automatically sync all the activities scheduled in the CRM calendar. This will be automatically synced to your Outlook calendar, to your company Outlook calendar. Therefore, you can only check on one calendar, either in the Outlook or in the CRM. Then you will have two identical calendars regarding the activity you have planned for.